Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, rolls, and much more. Today I wanted to show you something pretty extraordinary, let's say. This is a reed conical roller that's made specifically for doing cone rolling. Now, this is a pretty interesting setup, and it's a much larger machine than most of the conical rollers that you do see. As you can see, it's a very unique machine. There's not a lot of these out there. It's probably the only one we've ever seen. It was specifically built for the aircraft industry, and I'm told it's something like in the 40s. So that's pretty cool. Everything's still running on it. We've had to do a few little touch-ups here, working on the motor and some of the limit switches, but it is a good running machine. Now, as you can see over here, this shape, this conical shape, to make a cone, you're gonna have a plate of steel. You put your plate of steel in here. There's a lot of different operations here you can see moving in and out. These are all your adjustments. So this is gonna go down and up. This is gonna allow for different types of bends. Both of these are gonna roll at the same time. This one's gonna come down and it's gonna make a complete cone. Another pretty cool part about this, you'll notice, is it's going this way and this way. So that's another part of the coning. You could actually probably put all these kind of close together when you're going to be rolling, and that's going to make your cone roll. So there's a lot of different features on this to get everything adjusted to exactly what you want. Once you're ready to go though, you let it roll. Put your piece in, and it'll continue to go all the way around the part. Go forward as well as reverse. Once everything's set up, you get your piece out and you're ready to go. Now, I want to show you another type of roller just so you can see there's so many different types of rolls. This is an angle roll. We get calls all the time. People say, hey, I need to roll. I need a roll. What is a roll? We're going to explain that to you. There's a lot of different types and we can definitely help you because we carry many different types. This is an angle roll, which is great for something like this. There's just some hollow tubing or piping or solids, and what it's going to do is make a circle. So we'll go ahead and show you how this works. Just going to go forward and reverse. It's the same similar theory as what's over there. You see right now it's rolling it right through with no type of bend. What we have to do to make the bend is bring the top down here. We just go ahead and tighten that. What that's going to do is bring this down. This is a manual top roll. They have these hydraulically driven and CNC depending on the production you're going to be doing. You can see right here we have on our readout, it says it's at 38. We go forward and reverse with our foot pedal and our stand, and you can see it's starting to form the pipe there into a circle. This does take some time. You got to go over it and over it to make sure everything lines up. Go ahead and tighten it again. That's bringing it down again, and you can see on the readout here, we're at 0.9. We'll switch sides. Now if you're doing handrails or some type of semi-moon shape, anything other than a full circle, you can set it up. You know exactly where you're set at. Come down your degrees and just go ahead and make that roll back and forth until you have your form. You can see it's a really nice machine. This one actually comes with a lot of different dies, so depending on the shape, if you're using a tube, if you're using square tubing, round tubing, you can see the shape's going to be in there, and that's what it's actually following to make that form. Now I'm going to show you one other machine just so you can see all the different types of rolls that you could be able to use. Here you can see an even bigger roll. Yes, they do get bigger and badder as we go to different thicknesses and different materials. This is going to be called a plate roller. It's going to be used for sheet metal plate, but it's made for more standard circles, something like this. If you want to do that cone rolling shape, you can do these on a lot of them. They do have different adjustments for these, and you can see it's almost the same type of machine. But if you're doing all cone rolling, to have that off makes it really easy to take your piece off. With this one, it's a little bit tougher to do the cone rolling if you're going to be doing massive production. Now you can see there's a lot of different types of machines that we carry. We have a lot of other plate rolls, all different sizes, angle rolls. I sell conical rolls new. We'd love to help you out. Let us know if you have something for sale. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.